What if I told you that a single phone call, a friendly email, or even a website that looks totally legit could end up costing you thousands of dollars and leave you without health insurance when you need it most? The worst part? These scams are getting smarter. But once you know what to look for, spotting them becomes easy. And in this video, we're breaking it all down, step by step, so you never fall for a health insurance scam again. This is one of those videos that might just save you from losing your money and your peace of mind. So stay with me, because the part most people get wrong is coming up. Number 1. The fake insurance agent trap. Let's start with one of the most common scams: fake agents. These scammers sound professional, no insurance buzzwords, and they'll claim they work with big names like Blue Cross or United Healthcare. They might say something like, "You qualify for a special low-cost plan, but you have to act fast. Enrollment ends tonight at midnight." That's a red flag. Legitimate agents don't use high-pressure tactics. And real health insurance enrollment periods are not randomly expiring every day. Here's a real-world example. A man in Texas thought he was getting a deal. The agent sent polished documents and took a payment over the phone. 2 months later, he went to the hospital and found out the policy never existed. He lost over $800. How to avoid it? Always ask for a license number. Then verify it on your state's Department of Insurance website. If they won't give it or they make excuses, hang up. Number 2. Too good to be true. Premiums. We all love a good deal. But when someone says you can get full health coverage for just $20 a month with no deductibles, no copays, and no network restrictions, that's not a deal. That's a lie. Scammers use low-cost bait to reel in desperate or confused buyers. The truth is, real insurance has trade-offs. If the price is crazy low, either the coverage is limited or the offer is fake. A woman in Florida signed up for one of these miracle plans over the phone. The monthly cost? Just $30. But when she got cancer and tried to file a claim, she found out her plan was only a health discount program, not actual insurance. Her treatment cost tens of thousands of dollars out of pocket. What should you do? Compare the plan on healthcare.gov or call your state marketplace. If it's not listed, it's not official. Number 3. The medical discount card. Scam. Medical discount cards sound helpful, right? But scammers often pitch them like they're full coverage insurance. They'll say, "It works just like Blue Cross, only cheaper." But in reality, these cards only give you slight discounts at select pharmacies or clinics, and they won't cover emergency surgeries or hospital stays. An example. One man paid $90 a month for a health plan that turned out to be a glorified coupon card. He didn't realize it until he needed an emergency appendectomy and got stuck with a $22,000 hospital bill. But here's the clue. If the word insurance is never actually written on the card or policy, and you only hear savings or discounts, run the other way. Number 4. The "you just missed it" urgency scam. Scammers love to create panic. They'll say you just missed a deadline, or a limited time offer is about to expire in hours. The goal? Get you to act before you think. Point 1. Popular script is, "We're calling because you qualify for a government health plan, but the deadline to enroll ends today." They pressure you to give payment info or personal data right now. Real government plans, like Medicaid, CHIP, or ACA marketplace plans, do not work that way. You always have a clear enrollment period. And if you qualify for Medicaid or CHIP, you can usually apply year-round.so. What's the trick to staying safe? Never give personal info, like social security number, credit card, or bank account, until you've verified the company and read the plan. Number 5. Spoof phone numbers and fake emails. Ever get a call from a number that looks local? Or an email that says it's from healthcare.gov, but uses a weird email like bestdiscountfieldplan123@gmail.com. Yeah, those are traps. Scammers spoof numbers so it looks like the call is coming from your area code. And they use fake logos and branding to make emails appear legit. Point 1. Man in California got an email saying his health insurance was expiring unless he clicked a link and updated his payment. The link looked official, but it was a phishing site. He entered his bank info and social security number. Within 48 hours, his account was drained. Here's what you do. Go straight to the official site. Don't click links in random texts or emails. Healthcare.gov is the real government site. If it doesn't end in .gov, don't trust it. Number 6. ACA approved or Obamacare certified lies. There's no such thing as a plan being Obamacare approved. Scammers use these buzzwords to confuse people and make their fake plans sound official. They'll tell you, this plan meets all ACA requirements, and you'll avoid penalties. But here's the catch. There hasn't been a penalty for not having coverage since 2019 at the federal level. Example, a man in Ohio paid for a plan he thought was certified by the Affordable Care Act. Turns out, it was a junk plan that barely covered anything beyond a checkup. To avoid this trap, only buy health insurance through trusted channels, like healthcare.gov, your state's marketplace, or a licensed broker. Never take a cold caller's word for it. Number 7. Fake government assistance calls. Sometimes, scammers pretend to be calling from a government office. They'll say things like, "We're updating our health records," or "You've been selected for a free health insurance review." Then they'll ask for your personal info, social security number, address, maybe even a credit card, just to verify your identity. This is how identity theft starts. Point 1. Woman got a call saying she had to pay a one-time fee of $95 to activate her free Medicare card. She was only 42. Medicare doesn't call you out of the blue, and it certainly doesn't ask for payments if someone says they're from the government. Hang up and call the official agency directly to confirm. Number 8. Unlicensed online enrollment centers. Some websites look super professional. They offer 24/7 chat, free quotes, and promise to compare all health insurance plans nationwide. But here's what's really happening. They're not insurance companies or marketplaces. They're lead generators. They sell your contact info to aggressive salespeople, some of whom may be legit, others not. Worse, some sites don't protect your data. You think you're applying for insurance, but instead, your phone number gets blasted to 15 call centers. What to do? Stick to official sites like healthcare.gov or your state's insurance exchange. If a site asks for your information before showing plan options or prices, that's suspicious. Number 9. The prepaid fee scam. No legitimate health insurance company will charge you a fee just to apply. But some scammers will say things like, to lock in your rate, there's a one-time processing fee of $200. That's not normal. You shouldn't have to pay just to apply. Example, a woman in Georgia wired $250 as an application deposit. She never heard back. No policy. No refund. Red flag? If they want money up front before any paperwork or coverage is provided, it's a scam. Number 10. How to actually protect yourself. So now you know the tricks. But let's wrap this up with what you should do to stay safe and get real coverage. Always use official sources. Start at healthcare.gov. It will direct you to your state site if needed. Verify licenses. Check any agent's license with your state's insurance department before you commit. Watch your inbox and phone. Don't respond to sketchy messages. Go direct to the source. Ask detailed questions, like, what's the monthly premium? Deductible? Network? Can I get this in writing? Read everything. Don't sign or pay for anything you don't understand fully. Also, talk to someone you trust. If you're unsure, ask a friend, a family member, or even a doctor. Sometimes just talking it through can help you spot a scam. Health insurance is supposed to protect you, not trap you. But scammers are counting on you to be confused, rushed, or desperate. You're smarter than that. You watched this video, and now you know what to look out for. Let's wrap it up with this. What's one health insurance story, good or bad, that you or someone you know has gone through? Drop it in the comments. Your story might just save someone else.